This time we are mentoring students for a round or for a fashion show which is called as Survive and Revive. So with this particular theme, we are trying to get back to life the way we used to be.
Basically, we have used muslin fabric as a backbone of our collection, and also we have combined our garment, our design with the multicolor fabric, with the some texture fabric and some draping part.
I have participating in fashion show. My theme name is Survive and Revive. I have designed garments of female wear, muslin and some multicolor fabrics. I have used vibrant pink, blue, green.
The students have put a really lot of efforts in the show. They are working really hard towards it. We'll be using different kinds of elements in styling, such as colorful earrings, colorful accessories, different kinds of headscarf, neck scarves, different types of hashtag elements.
I'm so glad that we have been able to organize a fashion show for the benefit of our students. Our goal is not just to make them a good designer, but a great entrepreneur.
One thing I'm really proud of our students are, despite not being here physically presented for all the entire show, their construction, design and illustrating, and students really exited their comfort zone and come up with outstanding outcome for the show.
We are working for Pune Times Mirror. Outfit that I am creating consists of an oversized pants and a wraparound top along with a jacket which is colorful and indicates how our country is growing and blooming day by day.
I congratulate the entire team of fashion as they have done a great job in entire 10 days creating a collection. I would thank the mentors who have worked behind all the students and giving them the best knowledge in this COVID situation through their online lectures. INISD from this academic year has been started with a global program, a global bachelor degree program, here where students will be traveling 4 different countries including India, US, Dubai and Paris. Congratulations to everyone. Thank you.